Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Lenovo tab TB-7104F. Lenovo TB-7104F. If you forget its pattern lock or password or whatsoever, any lock, or we want to erase everything, all data, then we will make hard reset. We need to verify volume down button, volume up button. These both keys must be in working condition. Now power off. Wait approximately 20 to 30 seconds in off condition. Now volume up, volume down and power key. 3 keys together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release power button. No command. Now press volume up and power key. Now we are in Android recovery page. Reboot system, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data, factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test and power off. We will use volume up down keys to navigate in different menus, and power on button will be used as a OK button. Remember that if you will use wipe cache partition and wipe data recovery partition, it will erase all applications, all data in the memory. Data present in memory card will not affect it. Wipe cache partition, power button. Navigate to yes by pressing volume button, power button. Okay. Now wipe data and factory reset, power button, and now navigate to yes. Wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. This wipe data factory reset will erase everything within this device. Reboot system now. It will take few minutes to load the system because it is installing the software from its memory as a factory reset option. Language English, United States, start, Wi-Fi, copy your data. If you have any data on any cloud or any other device, or set up as a new. If you want to add previous email, you will enter here. You want to create Google account, you will create Google account or skip. Give any name, next. Not now. If you want to make any pattern, skip anyway, more, accept, skip, Lenovo ID skip, more, accept, no, no thanks. Now this tab is ready. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.